What's up everyone? Welcome to Yev's Builds. This channel started off with one simple goal, and that is to fully rebuild and bulletproof an S85 V10 and later stick it into an E46 M3. Of course, that is never as easy as it sounds. With the daily driving an E46 M3 and occasionally an E39 M5, this channel already has seen all sorts of work, from redoing timing chain guides on the M5, as well as subframe reinforcement, rod bearing replacements on this M3, and all sorts of stuff. So as you can imagine, the focus on the V10 had to be shifted and put aside multiple times for many different reasons. But for the past 2 years, this engine has been in the process of being rebuilt. We're just waiting on a few parts to come in, and this thing should be fully ready to go. With the market and the demand on cars being so high in the last year or two, it's also been a little difficult to source a perfect candidate shell for the swap. Until 2 weeks ago, I introduced to you Shell. This stripped little thing is perfect for the V10 swap, and it can go one of two ways. It could be either a daily drivable, fun V10 swapped E46 that can also do track times if it wants to and be fully capable of it, or it could be a purely focused track beast. With a lot of these little projects being finally completed and out of the way, my focus is heavily shifting towards making this long overdue V10 E46 a reality. Welcome to Yev's Build.